midnight bus keeps circling round. I pull my cap down low. No song in my headphones, just rain on the glass. The side you always took sits empty, no one crowds. I stare at the fog on the window, write your name, then wipe it out. I know damn well there's no going back, still can't let you go. Every intersection feels like the way you said goodbye. I know damn well you're not here anymore. My heart still waits for news. How could I ever admit that this is where we end? I came home and didn't turn on the light, afraid I'd seen myself. On the table, it's still sitting there, those chopsticks you didn't finish using. I still pour out 2 bowls like always. Then I remember the second bowl goes cold, just like the nights you never came back for makeup.